Hey guys, welcome back. So we are now gonna be looking at Langchain in this video. So Langchain basically at an higher level, if you want to understand what Langchain is, it is an LLM application development library. And let's move on to understand what it is. So Langchain is a framework for developing applications which are powered by large language model. And an example of this is you have your own private data and you want to build a own chat GPT like application on that custom data, then Langchain would be of help to you. And coming to the next one, what all you can do with Langchain. So the key functionalities of Langchain. So you can, I'll point you through the documentation, it's in detail, but let me tell you in brief summary what each one of them are. So models helps you to access different models with Langchain. The models can be GPT-3, GPT-4 or Hugging Face, any model in Hugging Face, or Llama 3 or any other models that are available and are supported by Langchain. And the next one is prompts. So create a prompt template for specific use cases. We are going to go over examples in the follow-up video, but we are just discussing what all we'll be covering in this video. So memory. So for prompts, how do we manage memory with it? So Pinecone is something we looked at in the last video, like vector memory or Redis. So there are various ways you could do with it. We're going to look through some examples. The next way is indices. So indices manage language models with your own text data. That's what it helps us to achieve. And next one is chain. So combine multiple models or prompts. So you can assume this if you have used pipelines in your DevOps workflow or data pipelines workflow. You can assume chains as pipelines. How you can combine couple of models together, or how you can bind a model with a prompt, and those are some use cases which we will be looking at. The last one is the agent. So agent, basically, if you want to understand how do you convert your LLM to probably Google search. So these are some examples what you can assume for agents, and we will walk through each one of these examples in the next video. This one is just to introduce those concepts in this video. And after all this, if you want to get started, go to your Python terminal, Conda activate your virtual env, or activate your virtual env if you are in Linux or Mac and not using Anaconda. And once you do that, just do pip install Langchain. So this should cover the first part of the series. And in the next one, we are going to look through the examples for all the concepts we discussed in the previous video, or all the modules of Langchain. We are going to go by example for each one of them in the next video. I hope this helps. Thank you for joining.